Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So right now I am at Machu Picchu, and although I've booked my entire Belmont experience, I am staying at Sumaq. And it's quite interesting because I did book the Century Lodge by Bellman, and they told me there's an argument and the property will no longer be available in July. So they changed us and moved us here and saying it's a very nice property, it's the best property in this area. And then we find out it still exists. I mean, the Century Lodge by Bellman. But anyway, they have already put us here. So, you know, I'm having what they call a junior suite river view. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So this is a small dining area, some welcome goodies, as well as a welcome card. Okay, and then this is the closet area with the minibar, and for us everything is included. And then the safe deposit box here. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so they do have the slippers and the bathrobes and then the blankets and everything. So they have the air conditioning, but they don't have a heater. So I asked them to bring in a heater in case it's cold at night, because July is the winter time in Peru. Okay, so moving right along. On this side is the working desk, actually a small one because you don't expect anyone to really work hard here. This is the coffee machine, some snacks, and the kettle. Okay, and then this is the king size bed. With the nice decor, you know, the textile, you know, the symbols, I was told. Okay. And then the TV is over here. Actually, in our last hotel, the Rio Sagredo in by Bellman, they don't have the television. Okay, so they have a jacuzzi bathtub facing the river, but actually it's quite very close to the street, so people can walk along. So anyway, so this is the river view and the mountain view. I will walk out in a bit so you can see the view that we're having. So let me finish the room tour first. Okay, so I've shown you the small living room, the work desk, the bedroom. This is the bathroom. Okay, so this is the toilet area, and then they have double sink. They are using Occitane amenities. And very interesting, you know, the rain shower. That's how they are making use of this space, you know, blending in the jacuzzi bath and the rain shower. And then to complete the bathroom here. Okay, so we are going to have dinner here tonight and breakfast tomorrow. So we'll show you. As I said, it is the best property here in this area. So if you want to enjoy a night here, like us to spend 2 days in Machu Picchu, because we're going hiking tomorrow, then this is a good suggestion, a good accommodation suggestion for you. So just follow us.
Thank you. Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh, this is your still no cheese on it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And for you is alpaca tenderloin with mashed potatoes and the alpaca sauce.
Thank you.
With ice cream coffee.
Thank
Okay,
you.
coffee sauce.
Coffee sauce.
Coffee.